We'll guide you through how to create Wix automations to streamline your workflows and save time. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your Wix dashboard and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, go to the left-hand menu and click on Automations. This is where the magic happens. You'll see a page that allows you to set up a new automation. Click on the Create Automation button. Here, you'll choose a trigger that will start the automation, like a new order or a contact form submission. Select the trigger that fits your needs. Then, you need to decide what action should follow this trigger. For example, you might want to send a thank you email or update a database. Choose the action that complements your trigger. Wix offers various templates to help you get started, or you can customize your automation from scratch. After selecting your trigger and action, review the summary to ensure everything is set up correctly. You can also add conditions to your automation if necessary, such as only sending emails during business hours. Once you're happy with your settings, hit Activate to turn on the automation. Remember, you can always return to the automations page to edit or pause them if needed. Wix also provides analytics to help you track the effectiveness of your automations. So, keep an eye on that to see how your workflows are improving. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.